Setup script exited with error. Command x86_64 Linux VC failed with exit status 1. When I tried to install odoo server, I got the following error. Could anyone help me to solve this issue?
I encountered the same problem in college, having installed Linux Mint for the main project of my final year. The third solution below worked for me. When encountering this error, please note before the error it may say you are missing a package or header file. You should find those and install them and verify if it works, e.g. ssl libsol. For Python 2.x use. For Python 2.7 use. For Python 3.x use. Or for a specific version of Python 3, replace x with the minor version in.
Python.h is nothing but a header file. It is used by GCC to build applications. You need to install a package called Python dev. This package includes header files, a static library and development tools for building Python modules, extending the Python interpreter or embedding Python in applications. Enter or see this URL.
Try installing these packages.
You need to install these packages.
For Python 3.5 use. For Python 3.6 use. For Python 3.7 use. For Python 3.8 use. And so on.
Please consider subscribing.